Hello guys, this is Maria. I am happy to share with you a delivery of batteries to Southeast Asia. This is a 48-watt, 105 mAh lithium battery for electric Longtail boats. It's equipped with a 200A BMS with Bluetooth functions, which provides efficient power and allows real-time monitoring of battery, SOC, voltage, current, temperature, and cycle times. This is a direct drop-in replacement. Now let's measure its size. It is 520 millimeters long. (340 millimeters wide), 234 millimeters high. It is easily be installed in the boat compartment. Now let's measure its weight. The battery weighs 45 kilograms. It's much lighter than 48-watt lead-acid setups, providing enhanced boat power. Our lithium batteries are versatile and can be used in applications like marine boats, golf carts, and more. If you need a suitable battery for your specific project, contact us at sales@polinovel.com.